Downhill Beach here. A long time has been a Downhill Beach. There's a wee sign there saying about soft sand, they're clearing the soft sand, so the beach is closed to cars until they get started out. Well, notice that there's a new walkway on here. So the wee wooden walkway used to be there for years at wee Shadow, Lucy, Max and all the rest of them walked across is gone. Stainless steel now. So this is Luna's first time to go on this here new one. The old one was like out bits of railway line and all. So stainless steel this one. Still got the sign up for blue green algae. The problem happened this here beach here. This stream runs along the entrance and makes the sand firm. But then, I don't know, it was a storm about 8 years ago and diverted the stream away to the side. And because the stream was off the side, the sand there gets dry. And then for some reason they decided to build this wall. And then the dry sand piles up. You see there's not much sand this side and the other side. All they need is JCB and bring the stream down its original route. The way, look where it's gone now, like. You know my old video, that stream more or less went straight out. And then the sand at the entrance was firm. And I don't know why they just don't get a wee digger, make a wee line and the stream will start the rest out. Instead of that, I don't know the idea of that wall there, like that wall made it worse. And the same way Castle Rock Beach, you can't go on Castle Rock Beach. There used to be a stream that went out at the entrance, but then they put in the new sewage treatment thing, the big pump where the toilets are. That there's no stream there no more, it's all pumped away. And the sand now. Hey, boys, get across there, It used to be this side here used to be for children only. That makes sense. That side there was for cars and dogs. And then about 5 years ago maybe, Luna, they had a bit of common sense and they made this here for puppies and over there for wains and cars, because parents won't walk with the wains, they get out of the cars and abandon them. So I've got a wee ball here in my pocket, Luna. Well, we're going to get on to this bit of sand. Oh, Luna can't wait, Luna can't wait. That's one of your new balls you got at Christmas. It's a wee squeaky tennis ball. See what it's like on a beach. So you've got a pack of them. I'm supposed to get across there now with Luna, like. The weird thing is, the stream did the same between Downhill and Benone. It's gone half away to the one side. Maybe that world's slowing down or something. It's funny how the two streams have diverted away along the coast. Something going on, global warming or what, I don't know. There's something going on. I'm not going to get across. We need wellies here. By the time I get down there, there's very little beach left. We might have to abandon this. Where's your ball? Oh, you look after your Christmas toys. I'm up here. Getting too out for us here, like. Oh, for years they had a wee wooden walkway. I know they put a proper walkway and there's no beach to walk to. They're a wee bit late. Ronnie! Oh, she doesn't like her toes wet. It was your idea to go there. You didn't want to wait. Well, just go plunge in there. Go on, do a big plunge. Wow! Good girl, Luna. Oh no, that's very, very deep. You're going to the deep bit, you're going to the deep bit. Ah, Luna. Oh. You make that look awkward, I tell you. You see, you're big 5.5. You can show in your age now. See when you were a wee young scallywag, a wee 2-year-old, you'd have just ploughed through that. So what we need now is a shot of the train going past. Put a bit of dramatic music to it. There's a lot of erosion here, look at that. The beach is getting smaller, sand dunes are disappearing. Luna, where's your ball? Luna, where's your ball, honey? Good girl. Well, we'll get down to the beach down here now, we're playing in the sand. And then we'll come back to that big bit there. Yeah, it was a wee 20, so you would. My turn! My turn! Some of the writing, is that writing or a sticker there? It's a sticker, gee, think too cheap there, tell you what. Them Chinese are not even putting on proper paint, it's a sticker. Oh, we need a train now, learn to come past. You always need a wee train in the video when you're not quite up. Train! The train, Lana! The train! You always need a wee train, you're downhill. Oh, make the video, Lana! We can fit up waiting on the ball. We need something to look at. I found something out new about the Muslim temple up there. Where is it? Muslim temple. Your boy Harvey, don't know the second name. Harvey something. He was a bishop of Derry, and he lived in the Bishop's Palace there, opposite the courthouse on Bishop Street. And the big house he built down here, that was his holiday home while he was living in Londonderry. So that was built as a library, but now he was Church of Ireland. That there is an exact copy of an Italian one, and he went to the Pope and wanted to buy the original, but the Pope wouldn't sell them. So somewhere in Rome it's got the original one of them, and the Pope wouldn't sell him the original one. So it's originally built to be a mausoleum, so you meant to put bodies underneath it, like, but it never was ever buried on it. But the Pope wouldn't sell it them, so the Pope gave him the blueprints of the original. So that's an exact copy of the original. But whatever, the Church of Ireland, the Pope hadn't come back in them days, they were pretty friendly, and they give him a copy. I think it's copyright now, wouldn't it? Like, I don't know if money changed hands right now. But so over in Rome was one of them. He built it as a library. National Trust hold weddings and all in it now, but it's a bit grim looking on the side, just out of red bricks. I'm sure in his time it would have been all full of bookshelves and all that there. And library books were very expensive. All books were very expensive back in them days. You know, when I was away in Encyclopedia Britannica, you were a wealthy family if you bought the collection of that. Well, back in them days, ordinary people wouldn't have been able to buy the Encyclopedia Britannica. Only the very, very rich. Lena! Lena! What's she got off that person for now? Unbelievable. Lena! What's going on with you? You just don't know what clicks in her ahead of time. What the speed. Oh, you get exercise now. We're not about too much hospital now. We're getting a wee bit of shelter down with these rocks, honey. What's blowy here?
The tide whispers low as we stroll down the shore. Footprints and paws, we leave it alone. The ball in my hand feels like the world so small. I throw it, you chase it, your joy says it all. Footsteps and paw prints, side by side. Under the blue where the ocean hides, the waves sing a song as the seagulls glide. Footsteps and paw prints,
Hi there.
life's sweetest time. Salt on the breeze, it tangles my hair. Your bark cuts the silence, it dances the air. The sun wind sings so slow, paints gold on the sea. You fetch and you bring, always running to me. The water curls, foam wraps the sand. Together we wander, the leash in my hand. Footsteps and prints, side by side, under the blue where the ocean hides. The waves sing a song as the seagulls glide. Footsteps and paw prints, life's sweetest type.
Handy throwing the ball on the way back up. I wonder ticket.
I wonder if you know how you lighten my day. The ball in your mouth, in your own special way. With the world as our canvas, we paint it so free. Each toss, each step, just you.
Let's see how far we get now, Luna. I'm not getting much further. Drop! Drop! So you like getting balls, do you? We need to play more than balls, you know. That's better than I thought. There's a temple up above us. I just noticed that's a big cable over there. You don't normally get walking around here. The tide nearly always on. But I don't know what to go into the cave. There's the river tunnel there, like. Where's the tunnel? There's a camera. Right there somewhere. Oh, I'll put this camera up. The river tunnel's just over there. You think there's down the tunnel after there? It's half made. And the temple is just above. Some excitement here, Luna. There's a possibility before we get off this beach and all train will come the other way. They pass the ballerina. I might come down in the summertime and go in that wee cave. I don't think, it doesn't look like it goes too deep. But you don't know. You don't know. Reach the end, Luna, reach the end. If the tide was really out, you could do a wee bit of that coasting to Castle Rock. There's a wee bit of beach up here, Luna. Sand up here. Oh, that a wee lagoon there, boys. Not behind in the summertime. That's deep. That's deep there. I would say that's about 6-7 foot deep. Not so bad over there. That's slippy. Do you want to try see if it's slippy, Pet? Lots of wee bit green algae there, so it does. I might leave for the summertime, Luna. Not really climbing there today, but it's worth coming back to see anyway. It's doable, it's doable. Nice sunny day, tide's out. No point in completing everything, there's nothing worth coming back for, you see. I'm on my way to B&Q today. What's I'm going to B&Q for? They have an offer on paint. My house hasn't been painted in 15 years. I had to get one free. So, a wee job for the summer, get the paint now. two ships anchored out there for some reason. One of them, we call them ghost ships, them Russian ones. Don't know. Hiding from tide coming up, hiding from Trump over here. Train's coming back, Lena! The train is coming back. You see the tunnel. The train's coming back, Lena! Lena loves trains. And I was taking into the tunnel now. We see he blows the horn again. See, I'm like a train spotter. See, it doesn't matter what age you get, there's still excitement to be had no matter where you go. Oh, look at the train! I can't wait to get my pass. Whenever I get my bus and train pass, I'll be doing wee videos inside the train looking out in the beach, Luna! Luna will be lying under the seat, falling asleep, and I'll be looking at the beach instead of walking here and there. Oh, it's not too bad today. Come on now, across the stream. Oh, like a river today, look at the stream. What the hell, look, wheel. Canoe on that. There's quite a canoe down. Look at these bodyboard on it. Get out of the ball's going on! Get out of the ball! Alright, girl. You nearly lost your ball, didn't it? The beach is getting smart. Right. You have to be careful you don't drop your wee ball. We go across this boardwalk now. Come on this way. It looks like somebody's cleared the sand here already, although it's still deep there. You see how far when I tied it up? You get the other side of the wall, it's clear. Take that wall away again. They must have dumped it over there, and then the wind comes, the wind blows it back again. You see that? That's handy. There's CCTV up there now on the beach. A lot of them east waterfalls over there, and I thought, well, maybe we should walk as far as them waterfalls. But at this rate here, pet, we'll never get there. Let me get it. That's like, yeah. Aye. You love your wee ball, don't you, pet? We're near the waterfalls now. The road rolls in between us, but I just want to walk where these streams are going. There's another stream. This used to be Korean Council Beach here, and the stream divided the two was Limavady. It's all the one council now, Causeway Coast Lanes. You wouldn't really recognise this stream as much. There's a wee waterfall up there, so it's not often you see water coming from that one. You will see them coming off these two. Oh, there we see the waterfalls in it. This might be as good a shot we're going to get. If we get any closer, it's going to be hit with the grass. This wee action camera can't zoom in. Do a wee bit of cropping on the computer there, but you lose the quality there. Then I want the ball back. So look, just imagine now she's playing with the ball, the waterfalls, a wee train going past. It would be a nice way to end the video, wouldn't it? But we've already had 2 trains, then I've pushed their luck. No, there the stream did come out there. There's not much water coming out there, but I doubt they must be blocked up or something. The amount of water's coming down now, it ain't coming out that hole. I'm going to take these waterfalls a wee minute later. We'll do a couple of wee minutes here. Nice and quiet, put a wee bit of music there. I'm having to leave my shot of the train passing the waterfalls. It's going to be too long, it's going to be another 45 minutes or more. But I'll tell you the thing is, I asked the AI when was the next train passing Downhill Beach. I says Northern Ireland, so it doesn't get mixed up. And the AI tells, well, there's no train station here. I didn't ask for a train, I just asked when does it pass. There's no train station here but Castle Rock to Londonderry. And then it gave me the times the train leaves Castle Rock, but all the times it gave me are past times. It's all the last time was 1 o'clock. So I'll tell the AI that it's all past times. When's the next one coming? And the AI asked me what day of the week was it? Was it a Monday to Friday or was it a Saturday and Sunday? So the AI doesn't know what day of the week it is. So I'll tell it's a Friday. Oh, that's good. And then what was the next question I asked? I didn't know what time it was. I still gave the time for past, and it says, "Can you help me? What time is it?" So AI is good at making up stuff. It's good at calculating stuff. You can put in sums and all that instant, but it doesn't know what day of the week it is. It probably doesn't even know we're on Earth, like. It just gets files. So you need an exact thing. Well, then I went to Google, and Google location knows where I am. So when I say when time's the next train, then it didn't have the exact times, but what it did do was give me a link to Northern Ireland Railways live train monitor thing, which I could have clicked on. I didn't have to tell it that I was in Downhill. It already knows. So it's interesting to know what the limitations is of AI. people think it's going to invade the world, doesn't know what day of the week it is. And if you don't know what day of the week it is, how can you organise something? You take all these riots and all the people bringing down governments, they go on social media and they arrange to meet up at a certain time. If AI doesn't know what time it is, it won't know what time they start invading the world. It's going to need a human to tell it. On our way back to the car now, and then go to B&Q then. The whole idea of today was to go and get some cheap paint. But I'm not one for wasting fuel, so we'll do a wee bit of zigzag and get Luna entertained on the way down. Alright Luna, we're going to B&Q now. What time is it now? Like, I need to, no point in asking AI, is there? We look at 4. And we need to get fed then in the afternoon. So it's 5 to 4 now. So the problem with cold rain and B&Q is a white traffic jam when everybody's going home. So I want to do my shopping. If I get some chips in the car, if I get you a wee can of food in the car park, and then maybe leave there by 7 o'clock or so. By that time all the big rush will be gone. And a wee trip to Port Royce maybe. Take a wee run round, look at the wheels. Will you believe that there? Look, there's a train coming. Where's my Waterfalls? Luna, get the ball. Luna jumps. Give me the ball. You catch the ball as the train's passing the waterfall in the background. Come on, we're going to line up, Luna. Luna, drop. Let's see if we get this shot now. So a wee bit far away from the Waterfalls now, but what can we do? So if the train passes, you throw the ball. Such organisation these YouTube videos. Here it goes. Come on, Luna. We're in the video off there. It's just a pity we didn't, because you don't see the ball in that waterfall. We're no distance away. See them Google things that tell you to let you down, Luna. But Luna didn't let me down. Oh, you did that action shot. Good girl, Luna.